Hi, in this video we are going to explain the corpuscular theory of the matter. The material can be displayed in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. The condition of pressure and temperature determine that a substance is in one state or another. Water is a chemical that we can find in a solid, liquid and gaseous state in everyday situations. When we talk about water in a solid state, we refer to the ice. In a liquid state, in the water we can drink. And in a semi state of water vapor, the water is one of the states of another depends on the condition of pressure and temperature.
The kinetic molecular theory is the theory that explains the behavior of the particles in the different states of the matter. In solids, particles are very close to each other and vibrate. They are neither quiet nor moving too much. Solids are characterized by their round form and occupy a constant volume. In liquids, particles are nervy, but not as much as in solids. They are joined together by attractive forces weaker than in solids, but they can be separated easily. This fact can be verified by introducing the hand into the water. You can see how particles separate because a new body is occupying space. These forces allow particles to slip over the others. Liquids have variable forms and adapt to the containers that contain them. They have a constant volume and flow easily.
In gases, the particles are very separated from each other. The particles can move in all directions, hitting the walls of the containers that contain them. The kinetic theory allows to justify that the gases have variable shape and volume, and that they can be expanded and compressed easily. They flow easily.
It is a step from solid to liquid. Grab some ice cubes and leave them in a glass at room temperature. The crystals begin to absorb heat from the atmosphere and their temperature is increasing moderately until reaching 0 degrees. At this temperature, the melting of the shell takes place. You can watch it watching how the crystals melt and turn into the water. With a thermometer, you can check that while the melting of the shell lasts, the temperature of the shell water system stays constant and equal to 0 degrees. If when it has melted all the ice, you cool the liquid water again, which is 0 degrees, this water becomes gel again. Water solidification.
It is the liquid step to solid. The solidification point is the temperature at which a liquid begins to become solid and coincides with the melting point.
It is the liquid gas step. This change of state can take place in two different ways, by evaporation or by boiling.
Only molecules of the surface of the liquid pass through the steam. It takes place at any temperature.
Boiling is a rapid and tumultuous vaporization. It takes place in all the liquid. That is, steam molecules pass through any point of the liquid. The boiling temperature is characteristic of each liquid and depends on the pressure it is in contained.
Boiling water is pressured at 100 if the pressure is in
It is the physical process that consists in the passage of a substance in the forms of gas to liquid form. Condensation occurs when the temperature is lowered. The variation of the temperature